Welcome dear students. This is your third video of chapter acid and base. In this video we will understand the concept of pH, universal indicator, and the different applications of pH in our life. So first is, do all solution contain hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion? क्या सारे सॉल्यूशन में हाइड्रोजन आयन और हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन प्रेजेंट होता है? Answer is yes. All the aqueous solution contain hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion as well as. The concentration of hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion determines the strength of a acid or a base. For neutral solution, we have equal amount of hydrogen ion and equal amount of hydroxide ion concentration. For any acidic solution, we have higher concentration of hydrogen ion and less concentration of hydroxide ion. For any basic solution, we have less concentration of hydrogen ion and higher concentration of hydroxide ion. For example, we have 80% OH negative ion and now, which numerical scale is used to specify the strength of an acid or base? एसिड और बेस की स्ट्रेंथ को देखने के लिए हम किस न्यूमेरिकल स्केल का यूज़ करते हैं, या हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि एक सॉल्यूशन स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड है या वीक एसिड है? सो आंसर इज pH is a numerical scale which is used to specify the strength of an acid or a base in an aqueous solution. Here, small p is in German words which is potens, or potens means power. H means hydrogen ion concentration. So in general we can say that pH means power of hydrogen ion concentration, or sometimes it is also called as potential of hydrogen ion concentration. Universal indicator. A universal indicator has a pH range from 0 to 14. This is important. That indicates the acidity or alkalinity of a solution. Alkalinity means basic nature. A neutral solution has a pH 7. This is the formula of pH. In pure water, we have equal concentration of hydrogen ion and equal concentration of hydroxide ion, that is equals to 10 to the power minus 7 mole per liter. Hence, the pH of pure water is 7. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. For pH is equals to 7, the solution is neutral. Here we have a pH scale which range from 0 to 14. pH is equals to 7 shows neutral solution. It has different type of colors: red, blue, green, yellow, orange, violet, etc. If you move from 7 to left hand side, then the nature of acid increase, or you can say that the concentration of hydrogen ion increases. So that is why if we have pH of a solution less than 7, then the solution will be known as acidic solution. If we have two solution, one is of pH 1 and second of pH 7 or 6, then which one is more acidic? So the solution which is near to 0 have higher concentration of hydrogen ion, and that is why it is more acidic as a comparison of solution which have pH is equals to 6. If we talk about the basic solution, if pH is greater than 7, then the solution will be basic solution. If we move towards right hand side, then the concentration of hydroxide ion increases. A solution which is a pH near about 14 is said to be a strong base, and a solution which is a pH near about 8 or now 9 as comparison to 14 are known as weak base. So in this type we have acid, neutral or basic. Importance of pH in everyday life. Are plants and animals pH sensitive? Yes. Our body works within the pH range from 7 to 7.8. Living organism can survive only a narrow range of pH change. When the pH of rainwater less than 5.6, then the rain is said to be acidic rain. When this acid rain flows into the rivers and then it combines with the water of river, then it lowers the pH of the river water. The survival of aquatic life in such rivers become difficult, because when this acidic water mix with water of river, then the water will behave like an acidic solution. So in acidic solution, the aquatic animals and aquatic life will become difficult. Importance of pH in everyday life. Second is pH in our digestive system. It is very interesting to notice that our stomach produces hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. It helps in the digestion of food without harming the stomach. During indigestion, the stomach produces too much acid, and this causes pain and irritation. This is also sometimes called the acidity. To get rid of this pain, people use bases which are known as antacid. These antacid neutralize the excess acid of our stomach. The example of antacids are magnesium hydroxide, that is the milk of magnesia, or ENO, which is a mild base, is often used for this purpose. The concept is what? Our stomach has a very big amount of HCl acid during indigestion. So to neutralize this acid, we require a base. When base react with acid, they neutralize the effect of each other, and this is the work function of antacid. Third one is pH changes as the cause of tooth decay. Tooth decay starts when the pH of the mouth is lower than 5.5. Tooth enamel, made up of calcium phosphate, is the hardest substance in the body. It does not dissolve in water but is corroded when the pH in the mouth is below 5.5. Bacteria present in the mouth produce acid by the degradation of sugar, and food particles remain in the mouth after eating. जो बैक्टीरिया होते हैं वो हमारे मुंह के अंदर शुगर और फूड पार्टिकल्स को डिग्रेड करते रहते हैं और वहाँ से एसिड को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. The best way to prevent this is to clean mouth after eating food. Using toothpaste, which are generally basic for cleaning the teeth, can neutralize the excess acid and prevent this tooth decay. Self-defense by animals and plants through chemical warfare. Bee sting leaves an acid which causes pain and irritation. Use of a mild base like baking soda on the stung area gives relief. Stinging hair of nettle leaves inject methanoic acid and causing burning and pain. So this methanoic acid neutralized, we use base, that is baking soda. They react with each other and neutralize the effect of acid, and that is why we get relief after introducing baking soda on the stung area. Now some naturally occurring acids, like we have natural source and the acid present in them. Vinegar, we have acetic acid. Orange, we have citric acid. Tamarind, we have tartaric acid. Tomato, we have oxalic acid. Sour milk or curd, we have lactic acid. The enzyme present in the curd is lactobacillus. Lemon, we have citric acid. Ant sting, we have methanoic acid, and nettle sting, again we have methanoic acid. So this is all about the pH and the importance of pH in our daily life. Thank you so much.